Well, Michael, I thought of you today because you pled to in federal court the very, facilitating the very things that the former president and incoming president was convicted for before a jury of his peers. It was part of the sentence to which you agreed that you had to serve. Donald Trump was afforded these extraordinary protections, as the judge said, because he was elected the president. How are you feeling about it all?
Look, I'm obviously very torn between what I would have liked to have seen happen. Don't forget, I received a 6-year sentence, 3 years of incarceration, 3 years of supervised release. In my entire legal career, I've never even heard of an unconditional discharge. I was so confused about it, I actually went to ChatGPT, just the fact that Judge Furman doesn't think anybody should go through ChatGPT, right? And I looked it up, and I was unable to find anybody in history who has ever gotten an unconditional discharge. Now, I think that Judge Merchan was judicious in his decision, and he was also, I think the decision was appropriate. I will turn around and say, however, that where I hate to say this, I agree with Todd Blanche, and I agree with Donald Trump in this. If there's no accountability and there's no deterrence factor because there is no repercussion for the 34 criminal counts, I don't see the point in having the conviction. They probably could have and should have just dismissed the case all, in and of itself. And I know a lot of people are saying, well, it doesn't make sense. Why would you say that? I don't take solace in the fact that Donald Trump is becoming the very first president, or former president of the United States, to become a convicted felon. I mean, if it makes people happy so that they can now call him the felon president, okay, that's on them. I still have a lot of respect for the office of the presidency, and I am a firm believer that to commit a crime and have absolutely no punishment, no accountability, no deterrence factor, I just don't see the purpose.